Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakaradash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from the JerusalemPost.com. And this was published May the 25th, 2023 by Reuters. And it reads, a magnitude of a 6.6 earthquake struck Puerto Obaldia, Panama, the USGS reports. An earthquake of a magnitude of 6.6 struck Puerto Obaldia, Panama on Wednesday, the United States Geological Survey, the USGS, says the quake was at a depth of 10 kilometers and 6.21 miles, the USGS says. It says the tsunami warning system said there was no tsunami warning after the quake. And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. Right, so that's what we're seeing. We're seeing these earthquakes now so more than ever, and they starting to increase and show forth. And it's going to continue to increase, and it's definitely going to be a good, significant, increasing amount of high magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places at a historical rate. We're definitely seeing that in the year 2023 of the increasing of these great earthquakes in diverse places around the world. Now, so more than ever, of this recent 6.6 earthquake over there in Panama. And as I read it again, it says a magnitude of a 6.6 earthquake over there in Puerto Obaldia, Panama, if I pronounce that right. And it says a 6.6 magnitude of an earthquake just occurred on Wednesday. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent earthquake over there in Panama. And there was a magnitude of a 6.6 earthquake. So we're definitely seeing increasing earthquakes in diverse places like the scriptures has mentioned in the book of Luke 21 and 11. So we're definitely going to continue to see these uptake of increasing of high magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying.